The fractal indicator consists of two fractals: bullish fractal and bearish fractal. The bearish fractals are marked by an upward arrow, and the bullish fractals are marked by a downward arrow. In trading platforms like Forex and binary, traders use the fractal indicator to spot various patterns in price movements. If there is a pattern with the highest high in the middle, and two lower highs on each side, then a bearish fractal will be formed. And if there is a pattern with the lowest low in the middle, and two higher lows on each side, then a bullish fractal will be formed. But in Quotex, one lower high, and one higher low, on each side is enough to form a bearish and bullish fractal. A bearish fractal pattern signals the price could move lower, and a bullish fractal pattern signals the price could move higher. It is used in technical analysis to find the potential trend, whether it is an uptrend or downtrend, or not even moving in the trend. Also, it helps to find the reversal point in the market. Allow me to tell you an easy strategy to use in any binary platform. Many traders, immediately after seeing the bullish fractal, they will place the trade upwards for the next candle. But it has only a low chance of making a profit. Same for the bearish fractal. I checked many times, but it was not working most of the time. So, after many attempts, I found a strategy which has the highest win rates. Listen carefully. We have to use price action with fractal indicator for accurate signals. Let me show you how. Choose a chart and select the fractal indicator. A fractal indicator will help us find the important price level in the market. The bullish fractals indicate the potential support level, and the bearish fractals indicate the potential resistance level. After finding the price levels, we need to draw a trend line to find the reversal point of the market. Here, these 2 points are the reversal point, because the previous fractal indicates the support and resistance levels. Let me show you some examples. Choose the time frame to 5 minutes, and select the trend line. Place the trend line according to the fractals, and find the resistance levels. After the candle touched our trend line, it reversed and fractal appeared. This is another example. Price moving along the resistance. For the support level, I can show you one live trading example. Here you can see, I drew a trend line using the previous fractals, and placed the trade exactly when the price touched the trend line. And also, you can see the previous fractals already formed another support level and resistance level. See how our strategy works perfectly. You can watch the playlist of how to use indicators, and learn more about indicators and how to use them in binary platforms. Good luck, traders.